adolescent age is an age where most of the time you don't know how to deal with your emotions and how to cope with stress.
Sometimes like very, very confusing, and sometimes wow, it's awesome.
I think this age is very annoying. As the coin has two sides. On one hand, I feel that I am very independent, but on the other hand, I can't really take simple decisions like what to wear today.
Sometimes I feel very irritated and confused.
Many people feel shy about sharing their problems with elders or their friends, the parents.
Each and every day is a challenge for you, and you have to accept it.
9th to 12th. These 4 years are considered to be very stressful for a student.
But I really enjoy being a teenager.
India is home to 240 million adolescents between the age of 10 and 19 years. They comprise 22% of the country's population. Data from the Youth Survey conducted by the Population Council and International Institute of Population Sciences in 2006-2007 demonstrates that although approximately 80% of young women and men in the age group 15 to 24 reported that family life education or sex education is important for them, only 15% actually received it. Statistics from the 2008-2009 All India School Education Survey show that approximately 54% boys and 51% girls are enrolled in class 10, and given the focus on school education in the country, the enrollment and continuation rates will improve steadily, making a strong case for transacting this education in school settings. The dictionary meaning of adolescence doesn't capture the reality of the phase. It does not capture the emotional upheavals or the sudden bursts of shyness as bodies develop along with an individual identity. It's a time for mentors, not preachers.
One of the roles that we can play as UNFPA is to ensure that we build bridges amongst all the stakeholders that are involved, so we lift this task together with many people.
The Adolescence Education Program, implemented in partnership with the Ministry of Human Resource Development and the National Council of Educational Research and Training, was repositioned in 2005 to include all the Kendriya Vidyalayas, all the Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalayas, and select private schools affiliated to the Central Board of Secondary Education. To improve program impact and quality, AEP was consolidated in UNFPA priority states of Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Odisha and Rajasthan in 2010. In order to institutionalize the program in national school systems, a decision has been taken in 2013 to implement the program in all the 1,093 Kendriya Vidyalayas and 595 Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalayas.
जो टीनेजर्स होते हैं उसको उस प्रकार की शिक्षा मिलनी चाहिए जिससे कि वो जाकर के और अपना रास्ता तय कर सकें और एक समाज में एक अच्छा नागरिक बन सकें.
The existing space of the school education system, like the, you can say, prayer, like the other activities being organized in the classroom and outside the classroom, activities should be organized to develop life skills, particularly among the adolescents, so that the adolescents are empowered.
Some more intensive program should be given to the teachers particularly, because slowly the hesitation will go away.
The AEP uses various participatory methods to empower teenagers on a range of issues which could affect them directly someday. For awareness on sensitive issues like child abuse, role play is used to mirror an uncomfortable situation.
हेलो
सुभाष भैया.
हाँ विक्रम बोलो.
तो आज की रात भी मुझे आपके घर पे बितानी पड़ेगी.
अरे ये भी कोई पूछने की बात है, तुम्हारा ही तो घर है, आ जाओ.
The role play, we take up real cases that have taken place and we've put them into a form of a little story, a little situation.
मोहित, आज शाम को चाचा जी आ रहे हैं.
फिर से?
अरे उन्हीं का तो घर है.
Here we have seen that the students gain a lot from this. They learn empathy, they put themselves into the position of the child who has faced that problem, and they learn to deal with the situations, how to handle it.
अच्छा तो विक्रम, गेस्ट रूम हमने अच्छे से साफ कर रखा है, तो तुम वहीं सो जाओगे?
अरे मेरे मोहित का रूम है ना, तो गेस्ट रूम की क्या जरूरत, मैं मोहित के साथ ही सो लूंगा आज.
अच्छा फिर
बस हो गया, मुझे और नहीं खाना.
को आजकल क्या हुआ?
In this play, Mohit was actually being touched by his uncle at wrong places, which Mohit didn't like at all.
It is not against the value system, rather it is very much in consonance with the value system. And that's why it was very important to have advocacy with parents and the community leaders, along with the training of teachers, advocacy with policy makers, advocacy with you can say curriculum developers and media.
I actually learned what is abuse from this workshop, and I guess that abuse can happen to anybody, anywhere at any time. So we should be aware from the beginning about it.
I think these types of programs should be held all over India to reduce the number of sexual crimes which are happening in India.
We should not put up with it and not feel ashamed of ourselves. We should report this and reach out to our family members and the people whom we trust.
Poster making is often used as a medium by which one can express an idea visually. Teamwork also encourages discussion and resolution on topics such as HIV and AIDS.
Your topic is the perfect world that I see. This is your topic. Under this topic, you have to cover a subheading, that is zero stigmatization, and HIV positive people are normal, regular persons not to be ostracized, and there should be no discrimination in the society towards them. So this you have to show with your views, with your thinkings, with the help of art in your posters.
I think it will be a nice idea to make a black figure here because no one can judge with the appearance of a person that he's HIV positive or he has AIDS.
When I have gone through the posters, it helps me to understand children, whatever issues are related with the child that I have seen in those posters. With that, I can counsel the children and I can solve their issues.
We also learned that discriminating someone is really not good. We should give acceptance to the people suffering from HIV and AIDS in our society, in our groups, so that they can feel comfortable and they can feel that yes, someone is with me and they have a desire to live more.
I believe that graphical form is the best way to convey message because it strikes at the roots.
Introducing children to various issues that they face, be it life skill education, be it substance abuse, be it HIV, AIDS. So when we talk to children about it, they are not, kind of very casual about it or laugh about it, because they know that it's a serious matter which they should be aware of, well informed about it, so that they can make their choices correctly.
In street theatre, these students dramatize a news report on accepted yet destructive social norms. In this case, gender inequality and son preference.
हे माता, हे माता, हे माता, कृपा कर मुझे एक बेटा दे दो, बेटा दे दो, बेटा दे दो।
पापा देखो, घर में नन्ही परी आई है। लगता है जैसे खुशियों की झड़ी लाई है। देखो पापा, ये तो सोते सोते हंसती है। ये तो बिल्कुल आपसे ही दिखती है।
तूने वो पापी फिर वही पाप किया है। बेटा ना दे सकी तू फिर बेटी ही दिया है।
अरे तो जब से आई है किस्मत उजड़ गई मेरी, तबाह हो गई मैं जब से छाया पड़ी है तेरी। ला दे इसे मुझे, अनाथालय छोड़ाऊं, फिर 9 महीना रहा तक तब शायद पोता पाऊं। नहीं नहीं, टुकड़ा है ये मेरे कलेजे का, कोई अनाथ नहीं। कैसे दे दूं उन हाथों में जिनमें कोई जज्बात नहीं। तुम पापी इसे कहते हो जिसने मातृत्व दिलाया मुझको। पापी तो तुम सब हो जो समझ न पाए इसको। धन्य हुई मैं पाकर इन्हें, ये मेरे अनमोल रतन है। जो इनका मोल न समझा वो कृपण है, निर्धन है।
छोड़ इसे जो तो रहना चाहे इस घर में। आज तुझे चुनना होगा हम में से एक। या तो ले अपनी बेटी या साथ मेरा। तू कहती थी ना मैंने तुझसे कभी तेरी मर्जी नहीं पूछी। जा कर ले आज अपनी मन मर्जी। चुन ले अपनी मर्जी से मेरे ऐसा पति या अपने जैसी बेटी।
नहीं चाहिए ऐसा पति और ऐसे पति का घर जहाँ बेटियाँ बोझ हैं और पाप हैं। रह लूंगी मैं अपने बच्चों के सहारे और दिलाऊंगी उन्हें वो मकाम
जो तुम में से कोई ना पा सका। आज इसी चौखट पर मैं कहती हूँ कि एक दिन ये बेटियाँ मेरा सर गर्व से ऊंचा करेंगी। एक दिन ऐसा आएगा जब गर्व करेगी सारी दुनिया इन पर, और तब तुम तरसोगे इन्हें अपना कहने।
वेलकम अगेन टू द अवार्ड डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन सेरेमनी ऑफ आवर न्यू विजन मैगजीन। और इस अवार्ड की हकदार हैं मिस ऋचा यादव।
आप सभी का हार्दिक धन्यवाद कि आप सभी ने मुझे इतना सम्मान दिया। आज मेरा इस मुकाम को पाना मेरी माँ के जीवन की सबसे बड़ी सफलता है।
ओह सुजाता, ऋचा मेरी बेटी है। ओह यह मुझसे क्या गलती हो गई, यह मुझसे क्या गलती हो गई।
If we make sure that all young people have access to adolescent education, then the country will go a long way, and we have more gender equality, and young people, young boys, young girls know better how to deal with each other.
इस प्ले से मुझे अपने आप के लिए सीख मिली कि मुझे कहीं भी डरना नहीं है कि यहाँ पे इतने लड़के हैं, मैं अकेली लड़की कैसे आगे बढ़ सकती हूँ, मैं कैसे इनका कंपटीशन कर पाऊँगी। इस चीज़ से मुझे कभी भी डरना नहीं।
यहाँ लड़के लड़कियाँ दोनों ही बिल्कुल समान हैं, और लड़कियाँ चाहे तो कुछ भी कर सकती हैं।
लड़कियाँ भी सब समान होती हैं, उन्हें भी सेम अधिकार देना चाहिए।
Teaches the student the kind of life skills which he will require if he has to successfully face the challenges of life in future. Because it teaches you about getting along with others, building relationships and things like that, which are more important than generally being good at studies.
Question box remains a popular option for students to turn to when answers are needed or decisions are to be made. It promises anonymity.
My classmates always tease me about my dark skin color and tell me that I will never find any good partner. I am worried. What can I do? Yes, Mudit, you saying something?
Yes, ma'am. I am saying that everyone has got some or the other fault, and like we should introspect ourselves. We should.
Mudit, that's not a fault. Having a dark color is not at all a fault. God made us this way, so why would God put a fault in our body?
In our society, there's always been a prejudice against dark-colored people.
We'll move on to the next question. A girl and a boy love each other and they are in class 9. But their love is true and they can't live without each other. What should they do? Yes, Aparna.
Being in 9th standard and loving somebody, it sounds really awkward that because I don't think it is really love. It is just an attraction.
I think this question has been dropped among yourselves. So not a problem. If you want to know more or if you want to discuss about this matter, feel free to come and talk to me anytime. I'm available in the Biotech Lab and we'll have one-to-one sessions. And
the question box is a great success as a tool that we use to get feedback from the children.
Because at that age, they undergo a lot of changes, both physical body or in their way of thinking. So that way, it is a very good method of, let us say, trying to find out what they want to know, what are their problems, and those can be addressed by the teachers subsequently.
I found this question box session quite interesting. I had a lot of problems which I couldn't share with my friends or elders, and I got a lot of solutions for all these problems.
And we got those answers for ourselves, which was very beneficial for us.
Substance misuse will definitely be one of the issues that most of these children will be exposed to. Cartooning helps them to express themselves through imagery.
You have to draw a cartoon on the topic of substance abuse and its misuse. I really want you to express your thoughts in terms of all funny characters, cartoons. Maybe it is in a positive manner or negative manner. Frame a proper story, whatever comes in your mind.
We had a sort of teamwork we had learned something new. We had never done this before, like cartooning and making dialogues. We were thinking on different lines, how to make it creative and how to send a message.
All the thoughts can be expressed on the paper in terms of cartoon, and it's a, so even if it has been displayed to teach other students, it will be very helpful for them because they are really catchy. Okay children, so you have done cartooning? Yes, enjoyed or not? Yes, let me see what you have done.
The topic was actually very fantastic. It was substance abuse, and right now the topic is on its peak in India. So it's good thing if we as children could express our feelings in the form of cartoons and make the society aware.
I really enjoyed cartooning. It was really a nice experience for me, as I gave message to others and how they should stay away from alcohols and drugs. And it was through a creative doing, and I really enjoyed a lot.
Group discussion allows adolescents to share personal perspectives and debate opposing points of view in a friendly environment.
I want all my adolescent friends will cooperate me in this class. Let us have a very nice case study I have brought. Two children. Seema is a 17-year-old girl and she studies in class 11th. She has a very good friend Gautam in the same class. She feels she has fallen in love with him. She wants to tell him about her feelings, but she is scared that if she tells him first about her feelings, he might think that she is a bad girl. She also thinks her parents and teachers would disapprove. हर रो में आप लोग को दो ड्राइंग शीट मिला, एक क्वेश्चन में पढ़ूंगी, आप दो ग्रुप एक ही क्वेश्चन पर काम करना है। आपको भी ऐसे अलग क्वेश्चन दिया जाएगा, आप लोगों को भी अलग क्वेश्चन और आप लोगों के लिए भी अलग क्वेश्चन, चारों को डिफरेंट क्वेश्चंस दूंगी। आप लोग को क्या करना है, उस क्वेश्चंस को लेके डिस्कस करना है आपके ग्रुप के साथ, और ग्रुप का जो राय है वो आपको इधर लिखना है, थोड़ा पॉइंट्स बस। फर्स्ट ग्रुप आपका क्वेश्चन ये है, ध्यान से आपका क्वेश्चन सुनो, ठीक है। Why does Seema not tell her friend about her feelings? Your question is,